Want to unblock a contact on Viber to start receiving messages and calls again? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. For extra support, you can also join the channel membership. First, to unblock a contact, you will need to open the Viber application on your primary mobile device. If you have the chat for the person you have blocked, tap on that chat. You will see a notice to unblock the person. Tap on the unblock, and the person will be unblocked. But what if you do not find the chat for the blocked accounts? Or maybe you do not remember who you blocked. Once the app is open, you should tap on the More tab, which is usually represented by a three-dot icon. From this menu, you will need to find and select the Settings option to access your account details. Inside the Settings menu, you must tap on the Privacy section to find the options for your block list. Here you will see an option that says Block List, which you will need to tap to see all blocked contacts. You can then scroll through the list to find the specific contact you want to unblock. Simply tap the Unblock button next to their name, and they will be instantly removed from your block list. And that's how you can unblock a contact on Viber, a simple process to restore communication with someone you previously blocked. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.